That's a braided wig. You can tell it's a braided wig. Tell me now. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. And y'all, do y'all see this wig on me? A braided wig, clearly. Keep on watching. It is also sipping and slaying. Your girl is double fisting today. Tea and water, thank you. Because I felt a little rumble in the jungle. I'm about to be outside. I gotta get that under control. But before you add to cart, make sure you watch this install from beginning to end. You gotta see the slay. It's just a hairline, okay? Everything else is done for you. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. It's a new trade day, so excuse my, my heightened lisp. This is a boho braided wig with a Lagos hairline and natural edges. Go ahead and thank me now because I asked them to create this wig a couple months ago, like before Christmas, I believe. I told them they needed to do a natural hairline on a natural base. The silky hair base is cute and all, but it doesn't mimic natural for girls with natural hair. So they did an afro texture on the base with the yaki texture braids and boho pieces, plus the natural edges and the Lagos hairline. And guess what? It's all the way around. Edges all through the bitch. You hear me? Yes, yes, and yes. And more yes is the cap size. They sent me this wig about a month ago and it was too small. I know some of y'all were asking me because I showed you guys the wig in my vlog and I was like, oh, I'm about to put this wig on. I couldn't put it on. Okay, it was too small. Right here, right here. Y'all see it, y'all see it. So I had to contact them again and tell them, hey, let me send you my measurements and you're gonna get me right. And right they did, hopefully, okay? Because this is supposed to be a 23-inch cap. I know my head is 23 gang gang. So let's go ahead and get this wig on my head. Before I tip my lace, let me cut off any excess lace that I have around the back. Y'all see right here how the ear shape is already kind of, well, shaped out, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna cut that off because I don't need all that. All right, I'm gonna follow the hairline all the way around the back. This unit does come with the attached elastic band with the 3 combs in the unit. 1, 2, 3, oh, 4 combs. You got 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. Plus the Invisa drawstring around the back if you want to tighten this wig down. I'm gonna tip my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, going with a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade. When it comes to braided wigs, I think the spray is a lot easier to use, the lace tint spray, just because you can cover a big area in a short amount of time. But y'all know how I feel about the spray. It's just too messy for me. This whole desk be covered. Can y'all see it covering? Y'all see it all around the edge. Ooh, please fit, please fit. It feels better than the last one. I think it does. My cap is, I believe, 14.5 inches to the back and 23 inches big. Clip this up so I can see. So it's pretty much like a perfect fit with no slack based on where I wanted to sit on my forehead. Ooh, that's a lot of hair right there. I feel like a braid could have been put right here. Or that could have been put back into that hairline. Don't be scared, don't be scared. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high heat and move really fast and just blow dry this straight a little bit. I can't have them as kinky because I won't be able to work with them as much. And then when I add the mousse, it'll curl up a little bit, but not as much. Brush all this down so I can see the edges that I'm working with. I need to pull some of these out. Some of these is just a little too thick. And because this is a human hair wig with some bleach knots, I'm pretty sure it has bleach knots, these should be easy to pull out. Still can't find my tweezers. And I asked some kids and they talking about something, I didn't have them. They were right here. Watch it be my fault. All right, I got Kenny's tweezers, let's see. Perfect, thank you, babe. Pull some of these out, too thick in there. These things are sharp, goodness gracious. Bring some of these back. I don't remember the first one being as thick. I mean, which is fine because I'd rather have more than less. I'm gonna follow the hairline that they have and then cut off more if I need to. Right up against there. OMGHerHair has really good lace, so even cutting it straight across, it still blends really nice. I'm using my Nairobi hair mousse to mold my hairline. Saturate, saturate, saturate. Put that behind my ear. I could pull more hair out. I don't have my glasses on right now, so I can't see. All right, so this one here, I can break this up into these 2. So all I'm doing with some of this hair is crocheting it back into the wig. and pull it back. Probably add some hairspray to it. Wrap it around, close it up, pull it through there. Okay, wrap this down like so. Wrap this back. If you don't have a crochet needle, just kind of wrap the hair around and add some hairspray to it to help that hold. Move this down a little bit more. I got a lot of forehead real estate, I can do that. I know my favorite spray. Spray this down across the front. Blow dry on cool. I don't want to blow dry all the way down because I need a little damp so I can move the hair. Bring it back, bring it back. The hairspray will help that hair stay. See how I did that? So if you don't have a, a crochet hook, you can just kind of twist it back, stick it back into the braid and twist it around like that. Or you can just cut it a little bit shorter so you don't have to move so much hair back. There we go. Brush down, brush back. Y'all see how I had those edges there, but I'm brushing them back into the wig to make a new hairline. I don't want to put the lace spray. I'm gonna use a little bit of hairspray just to hold that hair back into the wig to help designate that part. Do my makeup and then we'll come back and that will be it, because yeah, that's it. Right. Uh-oh. Let me pull it down so I don't create any white casts. Think we're good. Let me brush out this over here. I don't want it to look so crunchy. Y'all know how I do. Probably use a little water on my finger to help or get those hairs lifted so I can brush them a little bit easier. Use my foundation brush first. I don't need much because this blends pretty good. And then I'm using my contour brush over here. I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder, any color, creamy bronze, and just add a little bit of powder to that part in space in the front just to kind of open that back up. Not too much because again, it's a boho look, so I don't need it to be perfect. I just need it to be open. It's pretty much perfect on my head. So it's sitting right at the nape. Bring it down. Wow. It looks like I've had these braids in for a couple weeks. And I like that look. I don't like it to look so perfect because that's when you see the imperfections. No complaints, no complaints. Do y'all see this wig? A braided wig. I told y'all. I knew this was gonna look good. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. OMGHerHair did that. Thank you for creating this magic for me. Thank you, thank you. This is for the boho girlies. Y'all know boho braids kind of look like messy. They're meant to look messy. If you want a neater look, they do have neater options. I'm also pretty sure they offer a braided wig with a natural hairline, like without the Lagos hairline. So if this is not your ministry or you feel like it's a little bit too much for you, you can definitely check that out as well. But this is my ministry. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. I also have no complaints about their price point because this wig, I'm pretty sure with the coupon, is $231. You hear me? I can probably add some mousse to kind of lay some of these down because some of them are kind of bent from the packaging, but I ain't too worried about it. Look at the pin backness. The pin backness. I don't know what word that is, but it's gonna work today. Look, some of y'all be saying, I know a braided wig when I see one. That's a braided wig. You can tell it's a braided wig. Tell me now. Fool them once and twice. The up style is possible because my hair is natural back there, so I can kind of just pull mine down or blend some of my hair up if I want to. Who needs to go to the shop? Not me. No more movies for me. I am shop free. Hello. I don't gotta worry about the braids being too heavy. These are lightweight. Flipped over, center part, pulled back, like everything. This is why natural hairline is important for the braided wigs. Put them on all of them. Where is the lace? Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.